Okay, here's my demonstration of how this functions. I'm going to go ahead and call this phone and you'll see it displayed. As you can tell, it's ringing, right? There's the lock button. What I'm going to do is I'm simply going to click on the lock button one time to silence the call. By pressing the lock button only once, it should send the call to your voicemail. You're usually in a meeting, you can't speak to someone, you press the button once, it goes directly to voicemail. And that's the caller you're hearing, that it's going to voicemail.
Please leave your message for 9.
So that was how that functions. Now I'm going to show you the actual exploit, how this works, okay? So we're going to go ahead and call the number again. And here you will see I pressed this button twice. You'll see the call has been declined.
Hello.
Hello, I'm a telemarketer selling car insurance. Would you like to sign up for some?
Hello.
Hello, we have great deals today. Would you be interested?
Are you a real person?
Of course I am. I'm a real person.
Things are good with me. What's up with you?
I'm demonstrating how this thing works. Would you like to have a conversation with me? Looks like it's working pretty good.
I don't own a car.
That's what the telemarketers get.
But I've been thinking about getting one. What kind of car do you think would suit an old man like me? I've always fancied a red sports car, but my grandson tells me I should get something more practical. What's your opinion on this?
That's how the AI works, and you can have fun because it records the call. You begin by opening up your settings app, and once you're in settings, you scroll all the way down to apps. Once you're in the apps, you want to locate your phone. Once you locate the phone, you want to scroll down to live voicemail and turn that feature off for it to work. The next step is to open up your internet browser and do a search. In your search, you're going to go ahead and enter GSM codes. You're looking for the code to utilize this exploit, and the code is the if busy code. This code is 67, and on the website it'll show you what you have to enter into your phone app to enable this to exploit the lock button on your mobile device, allowing you to selectively divert calls utilizing that lock button. And this is what enables this exploit to function. This next step is the optional step. This is what I use. Do a search and look for Jolly Roger telephone service. It's an AI answering service that answers any calls that come in. So I divert the calls to this service and it records the conversation for my entertainment. Optional. This is the optional item. This is, like I said, what I utilize. This is a service that is offered. There's a yearly fee on this, but you can use it, you can try it out first for free, a couple of calls or whatever. Here, it allows you to select a specific AI that you want. If you select whatever AI, they have multiple ones, as you can see. And these AIs will interact with the telemarketers or any of the unsolicited calls and just really have fun with them. And it records the call. The entire call will be recorded. So you'll actually hear the interactions. It gets emailed to you in an MP3 file, and you can go ahead and hear it. I select the multiple, have them choose whomever, and it just chooses them at random. Next, you open the phone app. Here is where you enter the codes. So we're going to look at the codes. The code we want is *67. So we're going to enter *67*. And then what number are we going to send this to? I'll go in, open up where I want to send the number to. I enter the number I want, area code 206, you have to enter the area code. And then the rest of the digits for the number that I've chosen. This is the number I plan to divert calls to. It's 259 and then 499. I'm missing a 9. Put one more 9 in there. And then I have to go make sure, is there anything else in the GSM code that I have to enter? There is a pound. So I have to go ahead and enter pound and then dial. And then I got confirmation that my exploit is ready.